Arav, it has been 2 years in the MLC now, and we really feel that in these 2 years he got sufficient time, resources, guidance from the mentors, from the school to develop on all his skills that he always wanted to do, to develop all his interests that he always wanted to take them further. For example, he is really interested in art and architecture, so he got a sufficient amount of time and all the required guidance from his mentors through during these MLC years, may related to any kind of software he wanted to learn, related to any kind of new skills he wanted to learn. He could explore a lot of materials in arts. For example, he used different mediums for his paintings. He learned a lot. He even got chance to exhibit his projects during this time to the public, where he could actually sell his paintings. This brought a lot of confidence in him. So I really feel that MLC has helped build a lot of confidence and leadership skills. Also, I've seen that this year he learned a new software called SketchUp, which is used in architecture. So he was so interested in that, he also wanted to share that with his peers. So when I saw him sharing his ideas, taking workshops related to those things, it brought a lot of leadership qualities into him, which was new for Arav, since the way he is always shy and doesn't come out much. So there was a lot of difference that I saw in him within these 2 years. He's developed a lot, and also he's built a lot of self-confidence that yes, he can do things, he can achieve things the way he wants. It's not only in his thoughts, he can actually put it into practice. So I really feel that joining MLC has really been very beneficial for Arav, which he could actually develop. And also during this pandemic time, he's never stayed quiet like, okay, this is not possible, it won't be done. So somehow or the other, the mentors also played a big role during this testing times for all of us, that they guided them virtually. Also, they guided them so well that they used to provide them with resources, substitute ideas, and I've always seen them working with something or the other. So yes, I think MLC was really a great idea to start with.